Hello guys! I hope you're all doing good today. I'm Jovi and welcome to our channel. As beginner in learning ASL, I think it's important for us to know our ASL alphabet. Don't you think so? So today we are going to learn our ASL alphabet, and you can go along with me as I go on and do the signs with my hands. It's so easy, so let's jump right in. So to start with our ASL alphabet, we say A. Sorry about this. So A, just fold your palm like that. And B. C, just make a letter C form on your hand. D. E. And then F. G, you can see G. H, just the same thing, H. I. And then when it comes to J, just do your letter I going down, like make the form letter J. And then K. L. And then M. We'll put our thumb in between of these two fingers and then fold it down. M. And we'll just put it on the next one. N. O. Let's make a circle there. P. Just like P. See my other hand. P. And Q. Q. R. S. A is the thumb is on the side. Now on S, the thumb would go onto the middle. S. And then T. And fold. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Just form the letter Z with your, write the letter Z on your finger. Z. Okay, so that's the ASL alphabet. Would you like to go along one more time with me? Okay. A, B, C, D, and E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and and Z. Okay guys, thank you. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to like and share our videos. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do click the button below to subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Thank you.